The biggest skincare scam that makes people waste thousands on skincare products. Collagen creams. These creams claim to build collagen in your skin and make you look younger. But what it does in reality is these collagen molecules are heavy and they cannot penetrate deeper into your skin. They can just sit on your skin and make your skin look temporarily plump and youthful. So you should rather be investing in actives like retinoids or procedures that can actually stimulate your own collagen. 24 karat gold skincare. This is just luxury packaging and luxury pricing. These products can actually make your skin look temporarily luminous, but they have no evidence where it can actually prevent signs of aging or produce collagen. You're just paying for the experience and nothing else. Jade rollers and ice rollers. They can temporarily make your skin or face look less puffy. It is also very soothing on your skin, but they cannot build collagen. They cannot permanently lift up your face like a facelift appearance or boost collagen in any manner. The luxury skincare or eye creams, these mostly have ingredients which are already present in your moisturizer. So you don't need another separate eye cream. You could always work with your moisturizer even around the eye. But you have certain specific creams which can target fine lines and wrinkles or pigmentation around the eye. They are worth giving it a try. The 15-step skincare routine products. Just because you're using more number of products doesn't mean your skin will miraculously get better. In fact, by using so many products, and also these products might probably have multiple actives in them, you're only going to irritate your skin more, damage your barrier, and make your skin more sensitive. Products that claim to erase your pores. There are no topical creams that can actually erase your pores. Pores are structures that are present in your skin. They can only shrink or enlarge based on the topical creams that you use. There is no cream that can permanently erase it. Scar removal creams. Topical creams cannot resurface your scar because these scars are much deeper in your skin. But retinol or procedures like microneedling and ablative lasers are the ones which are going to help you resurface that skin. These scar removal creams can only be a supportive treatment, and let them alone cannot erase the scars that you have. Buying a different skincare ingredient every month. Say you bought snail mucin this month, the next month you're buying PDRN, and after that you're buying exosomes. If you are not consistent with the usage of one active, but it actually excites you to try new actives every month, then this is a ridiculous waste of money. Lastly, are DIY skincare ingredients like lemon juice and toothpaste. These can only irritate your skin and also cost you more because of the damage that they're doing. The biggest waste of money would be because you're buying skincare products because an influencer promoted it, or that product went viral, or because it has cute packaging. This is definitely a big hole in your pocket. But if you rather want to invest it smartly, then invest it in a dermatologist consultation, a tailor-made skincare routine for you, and one gentle moisturizer, a clean face wash, and a good sunscreen. This is all your money should go to. If you have also bought one expensive skincare product like this and you've used it without no result, then comment that product down below. Maybe in my next video, I will review that product for you. Like, subscribe to my channel and click on that notification bell. Take care.